rare Pokemon cards and auto rare. And it has rare picture. Oh, you do a few. Like that. That too? I'm just trying to get that out. Here it is, guys. It's actually weird. You can stick it to the refrigerator. Can you? I don't know what this is for. You can clip it to your shirt, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna open the, what's this called? Come down below. Let's go. Oh. Oh, I thought Lord's hat. I didn't know it. Wait. I knew that. I was gonna use the camera. Where did that come from? I'll use Torch Cat, Totodile. I did. Oh, I have another Pikachu. Oh, I have Bulbasaur. Oh, we have switching Pokeballs. We have the Pikachu right here. The rare Pikachu. And there's another Pikachu right here. We have the Pikachus. This is an energy ball. You don't need to see this. Oh, I think you want to see this. And the pen again. Oh, I thought I was evolved. I got the pluses, whatever they're called. Oh my gosh. Do you ever have a Pokemon card like this? Because I do not. What the heck's happening? Okay, so these are the last cards. Pikachu. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.